hello there, Kamen Rider fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to another episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now we have one of the latest figurized standard Kamen Rider line for Bandai Spirits, and it's Kamen Rider OOOs. So let's first take a look at his box art. So we see here Kamen Rider OOOs with the metal jolly bar here. We have the Taka, Tora, and Bata medals in his background. We see some cell medals around, and yes, the Oz driver. So taking a look into the side, we see we can build Oz front and back. So some action poses that you can do with him, and yes, they have the Bata leg, where his leg becomes that of a grasshopper. His arms, of course, the Tora claw will extend. We see him here holding some cell medals, scanning the metal jolly bar here, and we see he has effect parts wherein every time he slashes a Yami, there are cell medals flying around, and yep, more effect parts. Some information about the show, information about the kit. So let's crack open what's inside the box. So first off, we are greeted with one plastic here where it contains the Oz medal for Kamen Rider Oz. We have the Taka part here, the Tora, and the Bata, already molded in a multicolored plastic part, so no need for paint or stickers. We have a second bag here with one all green and a all black runner. We have a third bag here with all yellow and all gray runners. Fourth bag, we have some golden sprue runner, all yellow runner, and all green runner. Last bag, we have the standard stand, and we have one runner, all black. Oh, sorry, there's one more bag wherein it contains, yes, the effect parts for the cell medals: metallic red, clear green, and a dark red clear one, and stickers, of course. And lastly, we have the instruction manual. So let's take a look individually at each runner. So first up, we have the 8 plate here, which is actually already divided into 3 parts. So we have here part for the Taka, yep, an A2 here for the Tora, and an A3 here for the Bata. So this is the A plate. We also have a B plate, B runner, wherein most of the part is actually the effect parts for the cell medals when he Oz slashes. We also have some metallic red here, some clear green, and dark red, which is also clear. So yep, this is the B runner. Then we have a C1 runner, which is all yellow, and a C2 runner, which is actually 2/3 of the C1. So this is a C1 and this is the C2. We also have a D1 runner and a D2 runner. Again, D2 is like half of D1. Okay, so that's D1 and D2. We also have a E runner, which consists of all black parts. E. We have a F1 runner, again all black, and an F2 runner. So F2 is just basically a part of F1 here, as you can see. So F1 and F2. We then have a G1 runner, which is I think gray or silver like runner. And yeah, we have some individual medals here, as you can see. And we also have a G2 runner, which is golden yellow in color. And of course, let's not forget the standard stand that they always provide. And of course, the large, not really that large, a sticker sheet to be used. And lastly, yes, we do also have the instruction manual. There we go, with us in the front page. And yeah, the different poses and gimmicks that we can do with them, and the color guide. So there you have it, Kamen Rider fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the Figurized Standard Kamen Rider OOOs. So if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, viewing other videos, leaving a like, leaving a comment, sharing this video. And of course, this is Mixerwars saying until next time, see you!